What's going on, guys? In the last week, my cryptocurrency portfolio has gone up over 16%. That's insane. And in this video, I want to show you exactly how to make money online with a crypto bot, step by step for beginners. Now, a few months ago now, I did a video on how to make money with cryptocurrency for beginners, and I had a lot of questions asking me, how can I do this automatically? How can I automate the process? So that's why I'm doing this video today, to show you exactly what you need to do. Now, if you're completely new to this and you have no idea what a crypto trading bot does, essentially what it does is it uses current indicators and it buys and sells cryptocurrency for you at a profit. So you can set the profit on how much you're going to make. You could set it at 2%, 3%, 5%, 7%, 8%. You can set it at whatever you like, and the cryptocurrency bot will do the trades for you so you make a profit. It's designed to make you a profit. Now, the purpose of this tutorial is to give you a quick tutorial that's perfect for beginners, showing you how you can make money with a crypto bot. And I'm going to teach you all of this in under 12 minutes. So let's get started. But before we get started, guys, I do need to let you know that we're still doing the course giveaway. If you want a chance to win access to every single one of my products or $50 cash, what you have to do is find the emoji in this video, smash the like button, and then comment below what the emoji is. Now, in the last video, we had some issues with the comments, so I've turned them off. And the winner in that video, his first name is Alan. I'm not going to say his last name, but Alan, if you could comment below, I know your last name and I will know that you are the person that commented on that video, and you can get access to the course. In the next video, I'll post the winner from this video. So let's jump into this tutorial and I'll show you exactly how you can make money online with the crypto trading bot. All right, guys, so let's get down to business. Now, before you even go and set up a cryptocurrency trading bot, you need to go and choose the right bot for you. Now, there's lots of bots online that you can go and check out. There's lots of blog posts you can go and find with all the information that you need on what is the best crypto bot to use. I'm going to show you the one that I've been using, and I don't get any commissions from sharing this because I'm not an affiliate and I'm not dropping an affiliate link. So there is no benefit for me for recommending any specific crypto bot, but I'm going to recommend the one that I've used and made cryptocurrency from, and that is called Crypto Hopper. Now, you can go and do research. Just go put into Google best crypto bots and you can decide on what one you want to use. This is just a random blog post that I found. So let's go to cryptohopper.com, and this is the page. It's a very simple bot to set up. Most of it's pretty much all automated. They got templates and stuff like that. So let's get down to it because I know you want to get into this tutorial. First of all, there are specific prices that you are going to want to check over. Now, you can use a free account. This is fine to get set up and started. But essentially, as you make more money, you are going to want to upgrade to get more features. So that's just part of making money and business. So now I'm going to go to get started, and I'm going to start my free account to show you how this all works. All you need to do is put in your email, username, full name. I just put in my first name and password. Now, the next thing we need to do is connect an exchange that it's going to work with, or you could just take a tour of Crypto Hopper and not do that. Now, if you just want to play around without connecting an account, you can go paper trading. And what that'll do is that'll just use paper money, fake money that's not real. Now, on here, you can choose lots. So the main ones that I do are Binance and Bittrex, and there's Coinbase Pro, but you just choose the one that you want to work with. If you're on this video right now, you probably already have an exchange set up where you buy and sell crypto. And then I'm going to go to the next step. Now, on this step, you need to put in your Binance API key and secret key. So in Binance, you simply just go to the settings page and then go to API management, and then you copy the API key and you post it in. And then you go back and you copy the secret key. And then you go and put that in. And then you go to the last page. And then you choose. So basically, let's configure some basic settings for your first trading bot. Which currency do you want to use to buy assets with? Now, I just leave it on USDT because you can change the stuff in the settings later on. And I'm just going to leave it like that. And then go to your hoppers. Now, your hoppers are essentially your bots, and they're going to do their job. Now, as it takes you through, right, there's basically tutorials that you can follow, and it's going to essentially give you everything you need to do. So you want to go through the tips because this is very important, because these can be a little bit complex if you don't really understand how all of this works. Now, I'm just going to skip through it because I've already done all of this stuff before. And then we have things like simulators and all that sort of stuff. So let's just keep this tutorial super basic, and I'll take you through how to set up a hopper. Now, there is a support section, so you've got documentation. We can go through tutorials, how-tos, features, dashboard. Like, it's got everything that you need. and all the latest releases. So if you want some more advanced training on how to do this, you can go and look at all of their tutorials. This video is more about how to just set up your first spot so you understand how to actually do this. We're not going into a full detailed tutorial in this video, but everything you need to know is down here on the left. Like literally, they have everything for you to get started. So the first step you're going to want to do is click on Add New Hopper. Now, the way bots work is you need to understand these are not designed just to get you rich. They're not some secret way to make a bunch of crypto. What they do is they essentially do trading for you based on signals and information that's already there. You can do an auto trading bot, you can do this one, or you can do Market Maker. So the ones that I like to use are auto trading bots and Market Maker. So the auto trading bot is just your normal trading bot. The Market Maker bot places limit orders just outside the current buy and sell prices. It does this in an attempt to profit from the spread between the two orders. I'm going to go create trading hopper. There is a full introduction video here that you can watch, and it takes you through everything. Now, there's also a bunch of other stuff that pops up too. So it takes you through full tutorials on what you need to do. So I recommend that you go ahead and you actually read these. I've already read them in the past, so I know what they are, but you want to go through and read every single thing. This is important, because it is an advanced, like this is quite advanced. Now, the next step is we want to create a hopper. Now, you can configure it yourself, but I wouldn't recommend this. Essentially, we can do Binance and trade this. We can do Binance and trade Bitcoin. These hoppers are kind of like essentially templates. They are the bots all ready to go, and you can use them. Now, I'm just going to be like, hey, I want to do auto trade USDT. I'm going to go, you can go to info, and it gives you all the information here. So Binance USDT, exchange Binance, quote currency USDT, coins that it can trade, multiple TA factors, percentage profit is a 7%, stop loss is enabled, but there's no signals. Now, if you upgrade, you can get much more options, but I'm just going to click this one. And I'm going to go select template. What we're going to do in this video is we're just going to leave it on paper trade. Well, so essentially if you leave it on paper trading, you don't have to put in your secret key. So your hopper will not trade for real on the selected exchange, but will only trade on paper by mimicking orders. Do not forget to deposit play money funds to your paper exchange account in the dashboard. So very simple. If we were going to go ahead and link up to an exchange right now, we would put in Binance API key and Binance API secret, and we would go ahead and set that up. And it's very simple to do. However, we're going to do paper trading. The reason is because I do recommend that you run paper trading for some time, maybe a week or two, just to make sure everything is actually working out for you, because you might not like this crypto bot, you might like another one. So always do paper trading first, just to make sure this is the right bot for you. Once you are on this page, essentially everything is set up. So your hopper has been, more tutorials. So it takes you through everything that you need to do. Watch these tutorials, okay? It's important, we'll read them, walkthroughs and all that sort of stuff. Now, your hopper has more tutorials. Okay, I forgot about all these tutorials that just come up, so make sure you read these, okay? All right, so I just skipped over the tutorials because I already know what they're about. You might want to go through them. Now, this is essentially where all the action is going to happen. So it's going to show your open positions, your short positions, and all of that sort of stuff as the bot's actually working. Now, because we're doing paper trading, you would have to deposit the specific, it's just paper trading. Like this is mimic a deposit to your Binance Paper Exchange account. So I'm just going to put in the, what were we doing? USDT, I'll just say 1,000. And I would deposit that in. So this is a mimic deposit, right? So now I have money to actually trade with. If your Binance account was connected and this was real, it would be using the specific crypto or USDT from your Binance account. Now you notice that it says Hopper is idle. What you want to do, this is very important, is you want to go down to the config settings and then base config. Now on this page, you're going to have two types of settings. You're going to have basic, which we're on right now, and you're going to have advanced. Now on the advanced, there is way more options down here that you could dive into. And if you're on the free account, a lot of these are not even going to be open for you anyway, if you're actually trading with real crypto. So what I'm going to do in this video is we're going to cover the basic, just to keep this very simple. So number one, basic is you can name your hopper and then basically live bot. So if enabled, your hopper will actively buy and sell. If disabled, your hopper will imitate buying and selling. This will only be shown in the output, not in the trade history. And then we have exchange. So we are paper trading. If you are not paper trading, you would simply put in your Binance key and your secret key and it will get all your crypto from there. And then you can also set notifications. Now this is where it gets a little bit interesting. So the quote currency, this is what we are going to be buying with. So select the currency you want to use to buy positions. Your Hopper will actively work to increase the amount of this currency. So the point is we are using Tether as our main currency, and we're using Tether. We want to make Tether, okay? So that Tether is kind of our main thing here, and you can change it to whatever you want. Now, available coins. So these are the coins that we have selected that it's going to trade for us to make that Tether. If I click on them, it'll put them back into this category here. So these ones here are the ones that are not in action right now, and these ones that are in action. So to make it easy, I'm just going to get rid of all of these. And let's say, for example, I just want it to trade Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's what it will do for me. And then it will make us as much Tether as possible. Now, the amount, the percentage buy amount. So you can really leave all of this on standard. However, basically just read this here. So it determines the size of each buy order. The value is a percentage of your total asset. Okay, so it's basically a percent of your total asset. So if you have 1,000 Tether, it's going to only do 5%. Okay, now the minimum US amount per Tether per order, you can change that here, and the maximum amount of Tether per order that you're willing to spend per order. So you essentially can probably just leave this on standard, but you want to go and work out those specific metrics for yourself because it depends on how much you're willing to spend and stuff, and depending on what you have on your account if you're doing a real trade. Now, strategy. This might not be unlocked unless you have a subscription. So we have an upward trend by the dip. So choose the strategy for your Hopper. So you can do upward trend, by the dip, by extreme dips. Like I said, this isn't supposed to make you like this isn't some secret. All it's doing is it's automatically trading for you based off signals that are already there. Like for example, they're doing it off the RSI on this one, and on this one they're doing it off the EMA. And that's essentially how it works. It's using indicators that are already in the market. And then you go selling. So in the selling section, take profit. What do you want to take your profits? You want to take profit at 7%, 2%, 3%, 4%, 5%. Now, just leave it on standard. You don't want to start going like 20, 30, 40% or it's not going to work for you. And then you just click save. And now your configuration is saved and you're ready to go and basically let this thing run. Now, it says that it's on idle. All we have to do is go Hopper is enabled and it should start working like it is right now. Congratulations, your Hopper has started for the first time. Need help optimizing, and then there's some tutorials that you can watch. And then also on your stats page, after it's run for a certain amount of time, you're going to have all of the information on this page that you need: your buy, sells, your allocation of funds, profit stats, global stats, everything that you essentially need. This is very important to go run through to kind of figure out how things are working and what is actually happening. So if you want some more advanced tips, you can go to their support channel. Or if you want, you can actually go to a website called Fiverr.com and put in set up crypto trading bot. And there's lots of gigs where people will actually set up crypto trading bots for you. And a lot of them will actually set up this one for you as well if you don't want to go and set it up yourself. For example, this one here, I will set up a profitable crypto trading bot for you for, that's $40 New Zealand. So that's like $30 American. And this one here, they'll do it over a Zoom session. This one here, they will do a premium for about 120 US dollars. All right, guys, so that's how you can go and start your own cryptocurrency trading bot online. This is a beginner-friendly, as quick as possible tutorial to show you exactly how you can get started. If you want some more advanced training, make sure you go to the documentation setting and go to tutorials, and they will show you exactly how you can set everything up. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, tap that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.